Dunk, baby, dunk. Dunk, baby.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I said it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
What they doing?
Video dude. Hold on.
They coming over the brick.
It's trying. No, it's trying to do it again. Real quick.
Recording this. Whoa!
I knew eventually it probably gonna stop.
Yeah.
I'm going in the house. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, I got that. See where I can put that hole. Now I can make them wheels fall in the hole there. It'll drop it'll drop that thing there to the ground. That little ditch down there.
Okay.
But I'm gonna be in the road. So we'll have to get that something. So we can take. I'm gonna move my truck, get it over here. If we can get it like right up in here, that way I can go on the bag out there. And,
Oh, so you gonna put that on there backwards? Turn it around.
Yeah, try to turn it around.
Okay.
And get it going that way. Some kind of way.
I'm pushing that mud.
You pushing in the road.
Right there. Now park. And I'll just roll it. But I know you're talking about this.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I'm want to see it.
But usually it'll
You step on it.
yeah, I know.
It'll be low enough for it.
Unless we get some the board.
And put down there so he can, step. Yeah, we're gonna try something. We're gonna try to get out there.
All right.
Don't fight with it.
Oh yeah, I'm
Oh
going.
no, it got.
Somebody still recording this? Yep. You want to watch me do a cartwheel? So I can definitely
You would do a cartwheel?
Yeah. My turn.
All right, man, we got this thing home, man. We got this home. Probably want to pick it up. Pick it up. Oh. I think that piece in inside. Yeah, y'all got this mug on there. Nah, I was letting them people know we got it on here.
Oh yeah. Dunk, baby, dunk. Dunk, baby.
Woo.
Big dunk, little dunk.
That's right.
Big dunk, little dunk, baby. Big dunk,
Yeah,
little
that's
dunk.
right.
You
Got it on
want
there.
me? We'll let you pick it too. We will locate you. Yeah. You locked it,
Yeah. Key in there. What's up with the YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, man. We out here. Well, I'm out here fixing this damn starter, man. I think the starter going out. So what happened was we end up putting it was the old starter on. First it was the fuel pump, got a fuel pump, got a crump, but then it was the original starter on. And I think the original starter was messing up. So we took that starter off, put another junkyard starter on. It started doing the same thing the original starter. So we thought it was a battery. Put another battery in there, and it's still doing a little click sound. But I'm thinking the starter just old. So this the car right here, man. I know the sun out, man. But I'm out here grinding, so I just took the starter under that car. I mean, away from under here, and I tried to see what was going on. Like I said, it ran, but I just think the starter messing up. So we finna run the O'Reilly real quick and get another starter. That's the old starter right here. But I don't know, cause the other starter was doing it. So yeah, and they don't lie at you. So yeah, man, we finna go and get the grinding, man. Got up early. Gotta get the grinding, man. Y'all know, y'all tell I just got up. All right, man, so this is the starter right here. We just got, they gonna see to this motherfucker. See to this, gonna solve the problem. So, know how it goes, man. Just gotta figure it out. So when I ain't got the old one tested, they put it on the free spin thing and everything checked out good. But I was just like, damn, everything good on the starter, but it was free spin. Like I said, it probably ain't had that much torque on that spinning part on the starter. So now when it's connected to the flywheel, it probably don't got that much torque to spin that flywheel over. So I just said, you know what? I took it back down and go and grab this new one. All right, man, we back at the crib, man. Better go and snatch this, well, put this starter on. I got a lifetime warranty. So they had a $4 difference. The $4 difference was, it was a 1-year warranty for like $118, and for $121 lifetime warranty. So y'all gotta be careful when y'all getting these parts. But we finna get up on it here real quick, man, and see what it do. And just like that, we done with the starter. So now we just gotta see if this motherfucker crank. Man, I started drinking this right here. Like, at first I didn't like it, but now, can't go wrong. It tastes better than Powerade and Gatorade. I'd rather have Powerade over Gatorade, but I'd rather have this over both. And vitamin water. Don't get the sugar free if y'all do. The zero shit. All right, man. Slip this battery cable in real quick. Slip this battery cable on. How you doing? All right, and now we gonna see. Doing the same thing. I'm talking about, I done tried the ground, I done took the start off, put that back on. I got this piece too. I done did all that, I done checked the grounds. Somebody said it could be the alternator to make that click sound. So I noticed something. I was using this battery for this car yesterday and it came out the box Chevy. But now, this battery is dead and it won't even say anything. Like when I turn it, it won't even say anything in the box Chevy. So I figured this car ran to dead. So now I'm gonna jump it off. All right, so that's what I got right now. Y'all gotta excuse the car, man. She's a little dirty and junky right now, but we're gonna get her straightened out though. It's first try. See? Damn, got that. Oh shit. Damn, that motherfucker ran. Man, that's crazy. I had the battery barrel it up there. Okay. So I really don't know what I did. I got a battery in there and I just kind of played with the starter a little bit. I mean, I tapped on the starter a little bit. I fucked around and make sure it's tight. I gotta move all these wires. Damn. All right, y'all, let me fix this stuff real quick and see what's going on and make sure ain't nothing in the beltway real quick. Crunk though, but it loud. That motherfucker loud though. I gotta get that damn pipe welded on. It's damn. And hot in it bit. Oh. See what the air gonna do like. Yeah, I gotta get that bit cleaned up and everything, dog. Got a lot of junk in here. Yes, sir. Welding. pipe welder, man. It's not an SS though. I gotta get some Freon. Now let me try it again. See? Alright, guys, this before, man. It's not dirty and stuff it is right now. I'm gonna try to just clean it up just a tad, man. Just a tad. Just the back. Let's see what we can do.
Don't forget, subscribe to Doinks Lifestyle. Let's go.